Hi there! I'm so excited for you to get started on your essential oil journey. So here we are at my website, and I just wanted to go ahead and give you the link to my personal website. It's eolife101.com. And when you get there, this is the screen you're going to actually see. Now, when you are ready, you can absolutely click around and learn more about the essential oils. Click on essential oil 101 if you want to learn more about the oils. It's a lot like a mini class if you want to check that out. We also have some videos right here, which is really great for learning about what are essential oils, how can we use them, and why doTERRA, which is really all about the quality. And if you want to get all the benefits, you want to choose a company like doTERRA because they hold themselves accountable to high standards and purity, so you can get all the benefits and you're safe using it with yourself and your family. So I love that. Whenever you're looking for essential oils, be sure you are looking for essential oils that will have a third-party testing to be held accountable to all of that. Okay, so now I want you to go ahead and click on Join and Save. This is where you're going to go when you are ready to set up your wholesale customer account, okay? And so here's just a quick difference here to show you the difference between the two memberships that we have. And really the only difference is, there's only one single difference, is that with wellness advocates, they can earn bonuses and commissions by sharing essential oils. Wholesale customers will get the same benefits, the same discount, 25% off for 12 months. They can also join our rewards program to earn free points and the product of the month and all of that good stuff. So if you're not interested in selling, you can choose wholesale customer, and just know that you will also be able to upgrade at any time if you decide that, hey, people need to know about these oils. Also, this gives you a little information about renewing. We do not auto-renewal. The next time that you place your order after 12 months, they'll simply add the $25 plus a free bottle of peppermint, which is wonderful. I use peppermint every single day, so they make it worthwhile. All right, so now you know the difference. Go ahead and click down here at Join doTERRA, and it's going to bring you in here. Click Continue, and it's going to ask you for some of your personal information for your account. So I'm going to actually go ahead. It actually saved my information from last time. This is like fake information I put in here. Yay, it's saved. So I'm going to go ahead, and what I usually do is a last name. You have to have a capital letter for your password. Put your last name and a number. You can do anything you want though. Okay. And then, of course, this is where you choose your account type, wellness advocate or wholesale customer. And then you click this box to just let them know, yes, this is what I'm choosing here. And then down here is where you're going to want to make sure my number is. This is for the just for whoever has helped you. So my number is 296-809, and then you're just going to want to go ahead and click on Verify ID, and it'll pop up my name down there. And you can click Continue. Yay! That just means that I'm going to be the one supporting you. Okay? All right, so now how do you want to get started? So I love this. You can choose a beginner kit. If I've already sat down with you and we talked about a kit, you can click I've selected a kit already and click Continue. Or you can learn a little bit more. So with the wholesale membership, it's only $35 to get started. That gets you the membership, and when you click Add here, then it takes you to add any items you want and start using your 25% off right away. If you do not know which kit you want, because the kits come with memberships, so you get rid of this $35 cost, and they are also very discounted, so it's what I highly recommend for people getting started, of course. Then you simply want to scroll down and you can learn about all the different kits that we have. You can even click on them to learn about all the details, which oils are in there and what have you. So I'm going to actually go ahead and click Add the Family Essentials Kit to my cart. So now it's asking me, I can either move forward with checking out by viewing my cart, or I can continue shopping. I'm going to click on Continue Shopping so you guys can see how you can do a search to add more items. I love how they have this set up because it's broken down so you can see what else doTERRA has to offer. You can check out our personal care. We have skincare and hair care. You can check out our On Guard products, which are awesome. They have the hand sanitizer, toothpaste, and foaming soap, and cough drops. So much more. Deep Blue products for the deep blue rub if you have aches and pains. Awesome. And real fast, I wanted to click on the diffusers here, essential usage. You want to go ahead and click on aromatic usage. This will give you all the diffusers so you can decide which one you're ready to get started with. The cheapest option we have is the petal diffuser, and that one is great for like the bedroom, the office. I love it. I've had mine for years and it works wonderfully. But I also love all three of these. This one's discontinued right now, but I love all three of these. I have all of them, and they all work perfectly wonderfully, especially in larger areas. I have to say that my favorite is the Aroma Light diffuser. It just happens to be my favorite right now. The Lumo is brand new, so you can click and learn all about these here. I'm also going to just go ahead and click back because you may have noticed that in the front there was a search bar at the top here. So if you know that you want to, for example, get fractionated coconut oil so you can dilute your oils, just put in here fractionated, click search, and that will bring it up for you so you can add it to your cart. Why would I want fractionated coconut oil? Well, I would want it because I want to dilute my oils. If you have not come to a class yet, you may not know what that means, but we want to use a carrier oil such as coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil to help our skin process the essential oils. So anytime you're using an oil on a daily basis, or you're using them on children, or maybe you have put an oil on and it's starting to get itchy or red, you can just put a carrier oil over the top of that and make sure that it is helping process that. But with kids, elderly, and if you're using the oils daily in a certain spot, you want to be sure that you're diluting your oils when you put them on using this. So I always recommend getting that. Okay, so now right here I'm going to go ahead and click on review order, and we're good to go. I have everything I need. I'm going to click proceed to checkout. And this is where you can choose your shipping. You can decide if you want to get text updates on your shipping. I highly recommend economy $3.99, especially here in California because it ships from Utah very quickly that way. And now it just takes you to put your credit card information, click continue, and what will happen is you'll get your receipt via email, you will get your wholesale customer number in email, and that's how you're going to log in. You're going to go back to doTERRA.com and put in your wholesale customer number and the password that you created, and you can log in and shop anytime for the next 12 months and get your 25% off. Yay! I hope that was easy. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me with any questions, or if you need help discussing which beginner kit is best for you. All right, thank you and have a great rest of your day. Happy oiling.